like Mario and Luigi. I'll be honest. I don't like them one bit. Mario, I already know, in general, is a douchebag. But Luigi, come on. God damn it. Dead ass. Where's ass number 2? I want to check up them cheeks. Yeah. Just keep walking, just keep walking. Nothing bad can ever happen. Where are they? I don't want to be cut with my pants down with these guys. For obvious reasons. Orchestra, calm down. I don't know which instrument you are, but you need to calm your tits. Quit going ham on it. Oh, was I meant to fall down? No. I hear breathing. Was that me taking a note? No. Well, I got past those two pretty easily. But they're still hot on my trail, I bet. God damn it. I'm not the only one that heard that, right? I hear you. Thank you, Yuskin. Sorry, I'm a little delayed in my responses. I mean, honestly, my first reaction was to run the fuck away when I saw two big guys. They were completely naked. Are you praying for me, Father Martin? Are you praying for me? That's very kind of you. I guess. Even though you drugged my ass, that was rude. Not nice. Rude. Straight up rude. I don't think I'm supposed to be down here. Hi. Hi. How are you? Okay. Mario and Luigi, stay over there and don't come in here and start shit with me, because I'll be very, very pissed off with you. This isn't the end of Mario and Luigi, is it? God damn it. God damn it, camera! Hi. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. God damn it. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. God damn it. Who the fuck was that? My camera! Oh, come on! Go all the way up. Go all the way down. Go all the way up. Now go all the way down again. Why you gotta be that guy, Floor? Come on, why you gotta be that guy? Now it's gonna be... There was a person out there. There was a person. There was a person. Can't I just like reach my hand down? Oh, I like how it conveniently fell right there. On a table. A little crooked. What is this shit? Where am I going? I'm going into there. Why can't I just take the easy way and crawl through? God damn it. I don't even have anything. I just have meat. No zoom. No night vision. No warm humming from my camcorder. No recording my nightmares. I like how my camcorder still makes a noise though. Because, you know, logic. Oh my. You did? I don't know. I tend to... Apparently I missed a lot of notes. Apparently I'm finding a lot of shit. I don't trust any of this. Mario and Luigi in a bathroom. I know where this is going to go. Well, hear this, Mario and Luigi. My camera is missing. My little camcorder. So you can't record any of your fun time. Are you taking a shower? I don't trust any of this. I don't trust bathrooms, and I don't trust gigantic naked men wielding axes, or hatchets, or meat cleavers, or whatever it was that they were using to kill me with. Or using to kill me with. Planning to use to kill me with. That's what I should have said. I can't speak today. I'll be honest. I'm trying very hard, but it's not working. I want my camcorder back. Little Gregory has been with me all this time. I miss you, Gregory. I saw a person, and I know someone's going to be down here. Or something's going to be down here. Bring it, bitch! Okay. Don't bring it. It's okay. I just want Gregory back. I promise that's all I want. I promise. I won't overuse my stay. You just give me Gregory back. Please? Ah! You fucking asshole. He touched Gregory. He touched him. Man. He touched me. I'm dirty now. Hey, where's the shower? Play through what? Oh. I hate that guy. I hate that. You need to go fuck off somewhere else, sir. Stop trying to be James Bond. Because it ain't working. What's the glowy blue shit on the floor? Who are you? Can I have the glowy blue shit on the floor? Apparently not. Can I? Can I? Come on, don't tempt me with nice blue things. Oh, well then. Whoa, I like you, Lightning. You let me see. That guy needs to stop being that guy. Don't jump scare me again. It was rude. Bet Mario and Luigi heard that all the way from the top floor. God damn it, I was just at the top floor. I heard something. Hey, I gotta watch too. Where the hell am I even going? Calm down. Calm down, Upture. Calm down. Please, no Mario and Luigi. See, Upture's very upset that I lost Gregory. Does he have a phobia of the dark? Gregory, I'm here for you. What? Gregory. Gregory. It's okay. It's okay. I'm with you now. I'm with you now. Why can't I pick it up? So apparently that's Gregory, and Gregory's dead. God damn it. Pick up the damn camcorder. Ah! You fucking suck, Upture. You can't just reach over. I mean, it's pitch black. Hi, 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 hi. No, no, stop it! God damn it, I have a crack in my screen and everything, and you're going to be a dick. You are all dicks. Fuck you. I'm pretty sure that was a double door, but fuck you either way. Oh, where's... Whoa, don't do that.